today, Chanel's gonna be painting my wall.
So what we're gonna do is give her this canvas saran wrap and she's gonna do the magic.
Perfect, that's my assistant. There you guys go. Chanel's gonna become an artist today. Picasso.
Picasso, I like it.
Okay, I like it, Picasso.
So Ali, go ahead and explain to the people what the game plan is.
So what we're doing is we put this paint on the canvas and then we're putting saran wrap or this clear coat on top of it. So Chanel's gonna be able to lick off the peanut butter we're gonna put on it without it transferring. So it's gonna move the paint on the other side. On her end, she's just getting a yummy treat and she's painting. But she doesn't know she's painting until it's done. So
Picasso.
Picasso, she's gonna
Picasso.
like it. Picasso just, look at the eye. Look at her eyes.
If you guys enjoy videos like this, let us know down below in the comments, and feel free to give us other ideas on future videos we can do, or things you guys might want to see. Hey, Foos. Okay, I know, you're a good girl. Okay, go back to painting. Go back to... No. Paint, Nene, paint. Paint, paint. Oh, she about to get them custom footprints in there? Let's get it.
Millions. It's worth millions.
Ah, yes, yes, very nice. Do not eat the wrap. Picasso.
Paw in the back corner.
The paw's sliding.
She's doing, she's getting that blue. Go ahead, good girl.
Woohoo, nay, nay. Yeah, let me know down below in the comments if you think my assistant has better Chanel ideas than I do, and if you guys are curious about what their other ideas are.
Art.
Picasso. I won't have Chanel's head camera on the whole time, but we will throw it on for a few parts just so you guys can see some different angles, different footage, and let us know down below in the comments if you actually like the head camera and other types of videos we can make with it. Dun, 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 dun. Picasso, good job, Nene. How do you think you did? It's good? We're done with this one? Move on. You're just looking cute today? All right, now we're setting up another canvas, but a lucky person down below in the comments is actually gonna get this painting from the one and only Nahe Nahe Naho. What do you have to say about that, Chanel? We're giving your artwork away for free just because people support you. Ew, Chanel.
Eat. Oh, it's too late.
No, it's fine.
Delicious. What's with the face?
Oh, num noms.
Why are you looking at me?
I love painting, it's so fun. Why don't you play the game I want it played?
Is that good?
She's like peanut butter delicioso. Nice, finally. Oh, you're gonna get in the way, huh? Let us know down below in the comments if we should do more painting videos with Chanel or other fun activities. Nene, do you have anything to say? All right, Chanel, say bye-bye. Good girl.